Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing visa status. As a preface to this video, there has been a terrible tragedy which has befallen Thailand. It involved the unfortunate incident in I don't know if you call it daycare facility, school facility, child care facility here in Thailand. It involved someone who basically took the lives of many right at once, and unfortunately a large number of them were children. It was absolutely tragic. You know, here at our firm, our thoughts, our prayers, our hearts go out to the people who are affected by this. It's just, well, it's just terrible. There's no other real word for it. Unfortunately, in the aftermath of this, some CNN reporters decided to, I don't even know what the right word is for this, but I guess be overzealous in their coverage, but I don't think that word quite frames it right. The reason I thought of making this video, I was reading a recent article in the Bangkok Post, that's bangkokpost.com. Article is titled, CNN Visas Revoked, Charges Pending Over, quote, unethical, unquote, coverage. Quoting directly, the Immigration Bureau has withdrawn visas issued for two CNN reporters after they entered the off-limits child care center where a mass shooting took place to report on the story. Immigration Bureau Deputy Commissioner Achayan Kraitong said on Sunday the visas for the two crew members had been revoked on the grounds that they were not eligible to work in the country. They entered Thailand on tourist visas, which did not allow them to work in the country, he said. The two could face other charges, added Police Major General Achayan, who is the police spokesman. Yeah, I don't know what these folks were doing exactly. We're going to have some further videos on this overall topic because, unfortunately, as bad as this thing is, it's got some immigration implications that are really quite important, frankly. Most notably, for example, work authorization. These folks weren't work authorized. They were in Thailand without work authorization. There appears to be issues surrounding trespassing. I'll get to that in another video where we kind of talk more about foreigners and the law here in Thailand. But long story short, yeah, just across the board, it's just a bad situation. I don't know what these folks were thinking. I'm not, at the same time, I guess people, they get kind of hysterical or overwrought and they just get themselves into a situation where they do things that they might not otherwise have done. I just really don't understand why this occurred the way that it did. But long story short, it is an absolute tragedy, honestly, followed up by what looks to me to be some bad decisions, not only from a journalistic perspective, but from just a, kind of a general perspective. Again, not to really just get out here and name and shame or anything. That's not really the point of this. The point is that of this video is to understand, yeah, immigration status is what it is. If you come to Thailand on a tourist visa and you're not work authorized, you're just simply not work authorized. So don't engage in work of any kind. It's not a great idea. And also maybe don't enter restricted areas, especially those that are deemed a crime scene. That can be a real problem here in Thailand, as it is in any country. I don't know any country where they're just letting people wander all around an active crime scene. It just isn't really done. So again, unfortunately, we're making this video just sad all around, and there's nothing else to say for it other than that.